records, got backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your breath from you, bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls, hop in the fall. I said that nigga come cover me. I swear these niggas is under me. They hating the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, did the most, yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up power with no holes. With the ruler, diamond cooler. Just a rolling, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick ruler. Go inside with a bad bitch. Then I send this bitch through Google. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bullshit. I stupid so I keep the oozing. He's on records, got backers, so my money making my back big. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie cut in the ashtray. You bitches just got some no smash tray. Hop in the left, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath. Raindrop, drop, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, green the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Find me a river, give you a dish. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Dropping money out of space. Kid, country, introduce me to your bitch's wife. And we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, put it, nutty, nigga, nutty. Don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Make them bad, bougie. I'm always hanging with shooters. I be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Coming with Ratatouille. Run with that thing, call me poopin'. When I'm on stage, show me poopin'. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the booze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the doors in the cooler. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into it, rock up, let it lock up. I gave her 10 racks, I told her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up. These bitches, they fucking so dick and they bustin' for Instagram, get your clout up.
Alright, y'all, so don't mind me because I'm looking kind of beat, but y'all, I'll actually let me move this so y'all can see me better. Alright, y'all, so we were kind of late to the appointment. The appointment's at 8 and it's like 8:05, 8:06, probably 8:07 now. But the nail tech is late too, so it's not too bad, which I don't mind. I was late myself, so put my mask on and all that. And I'm finna get these nails done. My nails are kind of sore, like especially this one. I went bowling with my fake nails and it kind of like bruised the top, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the plan for today. So I have my nail appointment now, and then I have my I have a wax appointment at 11, but if she finishes, then I'll just try to go up there early and do my wax early. And then I have my lash appointment at 12, but she's like in another city. She's like 30 minutes away, so I have to drive out there. So I'm gonna leave like at 11:30, do that. And then after my lash appointment, I have to go to the nail shop to get my toes done because she does toes, but I didn't want to like acrylic toes on every toe, just on my big toe. So I always just get gel, call it a day, real simple. So that's the plan for today. And yeah, I'm just gonna be taking y'all along with me. First, we getting these nails done. It's like 8 AM, y'all know that. So I will see y'all once we get in there. So we here.
Maybe she didn't hear the signal.
It's so cute in here, it's so calm. Alright, y'all, so I just left from getting my nails done and they look so good. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely gonna go back to her. I still got this mask on, it's kind of cold. But y'all, let me stitch it up. Yeah. My nails are real cute. My set was only $36, y'all. $36. What? I was going expecting to pay like $60 at least, because like I don't get my nails long, but like I'm so happy. My hands kind of look a little dry, but yeah. So it's 10 o'clock. My wax isn't until 11, but I'm gonna go up there right now and see if they can wax me right now. So yeah, that's where we're headed, so y'all can hear me. But I really just need like a self-care day. Like honestly, I haven't been cute in so long. Like I had school, and then after that I had COVID, and like I missed out on Thanksgiving. Not on Thanksgiving, I missed out on Christmas, and like I was just getting off quarantine for the new year and everything, so it's like it feels very refreshing, you know. Yeah, so I have to get my lashes and my toes done. Then after that, your girl is gonna be done. Your girl's gonna be cute. Oh, and I'm gonna get my eyebrows waxed. It's 11:15 right now, so we just gonna sit in the car and eat this. But yeah, so we have our Danish, and I'm starving. It looks so good. It's so warm. And then we got the macchiato. I'm so hungry though. I guess I can get back to y'all once at my lash appointment and my lashes are done. I like them. All right, y'all. So now your girl lashes is done. Let me start up my car at least. Yeah, my lashes are done now. Y'all can't really see. I just got a classic set, but it's still kind of cute. I should have told her cat eye. Yeah, I should have told her cat eye, but they're still cute. They do what they need to do. And I just got a classic set. I didn't get like a volume or anything. I just got classic. And I got them like 16s, I believe. My lashes were shorter than expected. Like, it literally only took her an hour to do my lashes. She's very fast. It only took her an hour, y'all. An hour. So this eye right here kind of burning though. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, y'all, your girl got her lashes done. Don't play. Y'all, my face kind of breaking out a little bit. Don't mind it. Yeah, next week going to the nail shop. Don't worry. So I get my toes done. Of course, I'm getting white toes. Alright, y'all, so I just made it to the nail shop and I'm just gonna put this mask on. I'm telling y'all, like, after I got COVID, I literally sometimes wear 2 masks because I don't want to get it again. Like, that was so horrible. I need a pedicure and then my eyebrows wax.
Pedicure and eyebrows?
Mm-hmm. Happy pedicure? I'm getting hot stars, y'all.
What color you want? Share white, right?
Mm-hmm. And then just like, I don't know. Yeah. That looks good.
Yeah.
Alright, so get my pedicure. Like, look how good my eyebrows look. They look really good. Like, I'm playing. With the nail shop, just got my toes and my eyebrows done, and they look really good. They kind of irritated, but I'm gonna go home and put some shea butter on them. But yeah. All right, y'all. So we are now at the car wash because, you know, it's just a productive day altogether. But yeah, it's a self-care day, so why not clean up the car too? You know. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. This is real cute. Real long. It's just how I wanted it. And yeah. It's a cute quick hairstyle. So yeah. Alright, so I tied my hair up. And I'm just gonna put this lip gloss on over this lip pencil. That's cute. I told y'all I was gonna be rich and sober. Period. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. I need to brush these lashes and these eyebrows a little bit. I didn't get the mascara, but the lashes are still cute. I'm just fixing my eyebrows a little bit. So that's that. And then I just got my scarf on to like keep my hair laid down, but it's looking like this. I think I'm just period, y'all. This is what we looking like. I'm just gonna put some beeswax on my hair to keep it slick and like down on my head because this wind is blowing and I don't have time, so I'm just gonna do that. Alright, so this is what we looking like. Let's see her, y'all. And it's my fit. I'm looking real cute. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I was just doing like a little self-care, get cute with me type of vlog. Y'all, my edge control is turning white. But yeah, that's what I was doing today. So and that's pretty much what I did. We did all this stuff and now I'm just looking real cute. So yeah, if y'all like content like this, then just like comment down below and let me know, and I'll keep doing it because I just tried it out and I enjoyed doing this. So if y'all want to see these more often, just let me know because I'm always getting cute and I don't keep my hairstyles long. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, share it to all your people and everything. And yeah, if you like what you see and you want to see more of me, click that subscribe button to join the fam. Because you know, the Kin effect is in effect, and if you're not with it, you need to get with it. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with this video. So yeah, stay tuned for more content like this because if y'all like it, I'm gonna keep doing it. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video.